everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Flipgrid account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open your web browser. You can do this with your mobile application or on your web browser as well. Type in flipgrid.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Now, log into your account if necessary. Click on the login button at the top right. Once you're logged into your account, go and click on the icon with a smiley in it at the top right. This will bring out an expanded menu. Click on Profile and under your profile, go to the top right and click on Update Password. Under the Password tab, enter the current password for your Flipgrid account. Double check your password by clicking on this eye icon by revealing the password before moving on. Now, type in the new password that you would like to change to. Type in the new password one more time into the last text box and click on Change Password. And that way, you'll be able to change your password to a new one on Flipgrid. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.